Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and it has been an amazing month, hasn't it? First of all, Stephanie had a birthday. Hello. But summer is one of my favorite, literally my favorite time of year because it's just so amazing. And we had some amazing releases this month, and I'm a little concerned you might have missed one or two, and I want to make sure that you see them all. The first one I'm going to show you, I hope you have it because you cannot buy it. It's our Fold It Club. Our Fold It Club items are exclusive to our Fold It Club. So if you don't have it, you can't get it. I hope you have this one. But if you really wish you had this one and you don't, make sure you sign up for our Fold It Club now so you can get the next one. Ready, set, here we go. It is this gorgeous, gorgeous garden fence. It includes the cute little sunflowers. Look how beautiful it is, but look at how fun this one is. This one is also a stand-up. Yes, you can make our Fold It cards not only a shaped card, you can also make them boxes. You can also put them on banners, put them in scrapbook pages, make them stand-up cards. I know, literally endless. You can also just put them on the front of a card. So make sure you're in our Fold It Club. It's our fastest growing club. You don't want to miss out on these anymore, right? Now, let's look in at our other ones. Now, we started the month with our Awesome Aprons stamp and die set. So much fun. Absolutely love them. Everybody fell in love because not only is it about cooking or baking. No, no, no. Don't limit yourself like that. It is also for, hey, I'm here with you. Hey, you have a beautiful heart. Hey, have a warm birthday. Lots of other things. You spice up my life. Lots of other fun puns on those stamp sets. Look at how cute these are. This also includes the background with our arch background, our arch die set, but the background that Barbara gave me the idea for. And look how adorable it turned out. I love that, those coloring on there. Oh, so beautiful. Here's another one with that background and with our solid stamps. So I came out with lots of different solid stamps. Some people don't like to color, and this is perfect for them because you get that nice, beautiful, solid image when you stamp. Absolutely love it. Ooh, and I see our barbecue mitt or our oven mitt in the background on our stencil that we also released. Here's another one, and if you watch the video on this one's so funny. I'm embarrassed to admit I did not recognize the braided oval. Yes, it's one of ours. It was like I forgot one of my children. I'm so embarrassed, but it's beautiful, isn't it? Look how gorgeous this card is. Absolutely love it. Next, we also had our A2 recipe card. Look how gorgeous this is. Now, does it have to be a recipe? Absolutely not. It could just be a card. It's A2 in size, which is fantastic. Open it up. Look at that. We also came out with a digital 3 digital sheets that you could purchase separately if you did not buy the bundle. Purchase separately to die cut using the die in this set to die cut and have some recipe cards. Let's look at this. Are you ready for an explosion? On your marks, get set, explode. Not only of color, but look how fun that is. Absolutely love it. Watch this. I'm going to show it to you like this so you can really see how it explodes. Look at how much it explodes. Isn't that awesome? Imagine giving this to someone and having them showcase this on their mantle like this. It's literally an explosion in a card. It's so awesome. Then we released our Slimline banana split. Who does not like a banana split? Let me tell you, I think it's my dad's favorite ice cream. He loves banana splits. And there you go. Then we released our 5x7 tree die. Now this one, for some reason, I'm madly, deeply in love with. I don't know what it makes me just, it's like the tree of life or something. I don't know. It is just so gorgeous. Look at that. That's as the cherry blossom with our cute little bike. But don't worry, there's also, you could do it as an A2 version also. It's 5x7 in size, but A2 perfect as well. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. Oh, moving on. Oh, our butterflies, our mini butterflies. Don't buy them. They made them for myself. Literally, when I was using our beautiful butterflies, that club set that came out a couple months ago, I'm madly in love with it. I loved it. My biggest complaint though, and I'll be honest, because you guys keep in mind, I use this stuff. We're in business because I'm a stamper. I'm a card maker. I use this stuff. When I was using that club set, I was in love with it, but in my heart, I knew I was missing some baby butterflies. These mini butterflies were born, and here they are. Now you have smaller butterflies to add to your bigger butterflies, and they're just so pretty, and I'm so happy now. My heart is full. I'm such a dork. Here's another one. We also released not only our beautiful butterflies, the mini version, we also released our smile panels, which is really fun because technically I designed these to go on the gatefold cards, but my design team said, hey, Stephanie, they're not good just for gatefold. They're awesome on gatefolds, but you have so much more you can do with them. And go check out that video because there's so many other ideas to just put them on a regular A2 card base, which is really fun because you can mix and match them as well. Are you ready? This little critter is probably, look at that little face on this little guy. Little Frank here is one of our foldets. I think he'd be perfect as a treat bag, perfect with our little box it behind him for a little Halloween party. Let me just tell you, I'm madly, deeply in love with this guy. And I will be honest with you, I love him. He is now available on our website. Also for Halloween, we released our cute little critters in pumpkins. I absolutely love them. We have our kitty cat, we have our ghost, and we have our fun little raccoon. And look how cute they are. They are ready to go. And I love how Chris used our arch background again. Remember, let's go back really quick because I want to really point this out. Where is it? Here it is. Arch background. So here it is on the front, here it is on the inside. They are nested dies. They came, you probably have them. They came in the A2 window card. These were all in there. The nested dies were in there. It was like 2 for 1 because you got the window card and you got these. But look how we're using them. We're using them all the time. And that's the important thing, right? I want you to buy something and I want you to use it all the time. Here we go. Here we go. This one, absolutely love our mini Slimline. For some reason, people don't think of mini Slimline very often when they make cards. Let me tell you, sometimes it's the perfect size. And here we go. Our little cute little raccoon has a paper clip on the back, so you can put him in a planner, you can put him on something else, but look how cute he is. He can literally, he has a clip. I can put him on this one over here. It's just a regular paper clip, my friends. Isn't that crazy? But how awesome. And who is this? This is Michelle. Michelle made a little pocket for him with our fun background fall mini Slimline die. Ooh, this is one of the must-haves. Must-haves. Again, same idea with the arch. Here we go. It's the stitch dot stitch reverse corner nested A2 rectangles. That's a mouthful. Let me just tell you, you're going to use it all the time. Last but not least, on our catch-up day, meaning the re-release day, we released a few that we had left of the Fern online class. This is the Fern that comes in the online class. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love it. Oops, it's stuck. Here's two versions. Hang on. There we go. 2 different versions. You're getting both of these dies. You're getting the stamps that match, and you're getting the recorded class. That means it's 2 hours of you and me together crafting. Go to our website. Once this item is gone, it's gone forever. We do not remake the classes. Ken luckily found a couple boxes of different random stuff up at the very top shelf, and that's why we're re-releasing these. So go check them out. My friends, what a month. Put your seatbelt on. September is coming, and it's going to be a doozy. So get ready, get set, get caught up on what you need to, and let's get going. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.